Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Got a pretty special Corvette for you. It's a 1966. And it's a factory air-conditioned, factory power steering, power brakes, power antenna, and it has an automatic transmission. It's got the side pipes. Obviously, it's red. It's a coupe. I just love this design. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale, so visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on that bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let me take you for a spin in this 66 Corvette. It's only a few cars, probably count them on one hand, where I like the coupe better than the convertible, and this is one of them. I mean, just look at that body style. The coupe seems like it's harder to come by, too. I see a lot of roadsters. And this one here is loaded up. Automatic with all the options, so it's going to be a nice, comfortable car, but yet still a very sporty feel. When you hear the rumble of them pipes when you're going through them curves, it's a blast. Underneath the car is very clean. It has the raw fiberglass floors. They're not painted over, so they're honest. They're nice, clean, yellow floors, not damaged, cracked, or repaired that I could see. The frame is real clean and smooth, rust-free frame. The front end looks like it's been completely rebuilt. All the components and ball joints and bushings have been replaced. They did upgrade. It was a 2-speed power glide automatic in 66. This does have the turbo 350, so it's a 3-speed automatic. It all looks the same from inside the car, but you get three gears instead of 2. It's a 336 rear end under the back. The body is in really nice shape. The doors fit really well. They open and close real nice. They did upgrade it with the 67 Stinger hood. That's a real common upgrade. Back in the early 70s, my dad was selling these cars. They were used cars. I think he put this hood on every one of them that came through our doors. It's got the hideaway headlights. I'll open in a minute. This one works, but it's a little bit slower. That one zips right open. If you look for it, I looked from all different angles. I mean, the car is beautiful. You stand here, it looks pristine. It looks perfect. I'm guessing this front corner was hit right here. When you feel way up under here, there's some body work. There's some minor imperfection. If you look for them, you get down on different angles. Like right now, I don't see anything. If you squat down, I see a little like bumpy spot here and here. Might have been some damage here at one time. You don't need to do a thing with it. It's beautiful. All the stainless around the windows have been replaced, and all the glass is exceptionally clean. I'm not saying it's brand new, but it's really nice, clear glass. New door handles, new emblems, new gas cap, new bumpers, new tail lights. That's a power antenna. This is all in beautiful shape, all real nice. There is a chip in the paint right there. We got the original spinner hubcaps with custom-made radial redline BFGoodrich tires. Got the bow tie mirror, the door jambs. See how nice that door fits? A Corvette door fits all the way around, not just 3 sides. This one fits really well, opens real nice. The door jambs are real slick, the weather strips are new, the sill plates, the latches, all that looks really clean. There are some pimples right here. Right in this area, about this far apart, there's some pimples on the paint. Again, anyone walking up to the car is not going to see it, but they're there. The wiper blades look good. Front bumpers, this is all real nice. The grille looks real nice. The interior is exceptional. I just sat in the car for the first time about 10 minutes ago. It's like brand new inside. I mean, every component, every part is clean, has nice finish. The interior lights work. The chrome sparkles. All the little chrome around the gauges, the knobs, the vents, the handles, all beautiful chrome. The dash pads are mint. All the black metal is really nice. Has deluxe seat belts, the factory ones. The upholstery, the backs of the seats. The door panels are like brand new. All the trim that's painted is real nice. Carpet front to back is excellent. Has embroidered floor mats. Inside the glove box, even the light works in there. It's got an owner's manual. It's got the jack underneath the rear panel. The wood, well, it's a plastic wood grain wheel. There's not even a crack in it. It does have the factory radio in place, and then there's a satellite radio unit not mounted down below. It just plugs into the cigarette lighter. I love that side exhaust. Motor runs real good. It's a period correct 327 motor. I think it's dated a few months after the car, so it's a correct motor, not the original. All stock manifolds, the finned valve covers, the ignition shielding, and it's all very tidy in here. The hoses, the wires, the shroud, the fan, all of it is just really nice and clean, and looks very proper. The hood latches. The assembly looks new. It's got the expansion tank. The black fiberglass is all clean and has a nice satin finish. The headliner, visors, the mirror is mint, the dome light works, the lights under the dash work. So there you have it. Rare to have all these options, and it's an exceptionally clean car. Couple little paint problems. If you're that fussy, I wouldn't spend a dime on it, but if you're that fussy, you can spend $1,000 at a paint shop, $1,500 at the most, and you'll have pretty much a mint Corvette loaded with eye appeal, loaded with options, and it's just a nice overall car. Visit volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. They can help answer any questions about the car, the process, the delivery, the financing. They can help with all of that. I just gave you my impression of the car, but if you have specific concerns, please let them know. If you enjoy watching our videos, click on the bell icon and you will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.